damn it. What the fuck are you doing? Seriously, what the fuck was that?
Buddy.
Bye. Jesus fuck! Did you see that?
Yeah.
It's on my dash cam too. Pause that. I don't know how to do it. $1,000 this past week with the 12K payday. What are you going to use that cash on?
I'm going to buy some car parts.
Car parts, maybe stuff for your house, whatever you need, whatever you could use. $1,000 on. Your next chance is Monday, just after 6 with the Bobby Bones Show. Right here on KJ97, San Antonio's #1 for...
I just figured I'll just take the route I know.
Oh. Did he just run into him? He just ran into him.
Like ran?
Like he just ran into the back of that person.
Which who?
The person right there.
The
literally,
white car?
Yeah, that white car just
Hit
ran.
the Honda?
Yep.
Doesn't look like that Honda's messed up.
Good repairs in the under each snare, intangible. Bet you didn't get so fucking. Oh, are they running? Are they running?
Oh!
Are they running? Are they running? Oh shit, they're running.
If you can catch up, I got my phone ready.
Yeah, she's trying to get it too.
It's that white car.
Whoops. It's okay. Been there. Not really, but.
Oh God. It wasn't as much as a guy that throw a lot of money at member of the crew. It's like a family. Whoa!
That ultimately led to your leaving before the 21 days. What was going on?
Well, I had like a painful spot on my face, on my chin, and it was really sometime in the first week, I didn't know, is it a zit? Is it a mosquito bite that's sort of sore? Who knows? I don't want to say like I'm super vain. I would say I don't feel like I have the strongest chin. And I just felt like the universe was giving me a lesson, when I went on TV in front of the universe, like naked, completely revealing myself for people's judgment. My chin swelled up and became massive over the course of the 2 weeks. I think that's very funny and ironic, but I just got this massive swelling on my neck and just started feeling very ill. And I don't want to give any spoilers, but I did end up in a hospital.
I just got that shit. You okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
All right. I'm pretty sure I got all that on my GoPro, so you guys can use that for your insurance. Yeah, I got all that on my GoPro, so if you want to give me your email, I can probably send you the video for insurance and stuff.
Oh, thank you, that would be really helpful.
Yeah. Yeah, that was pretty fucked up.
Yeah, 'cause it was on me, so.
Yeah, you totally ran that shit.
You said email?
Yeah, I just want to do email, and then you can just reach out to me. That really ruins your day, huh?
I didn't see that coming.
All right. Yeah, so just go ahead and email me, and I'll send you the video. All right?
Awesome. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
no problem.